Inquiries of the predecessor auditor prior to accepting the engagement should include specific questions regarding what? So here's what happened. Once you have a new auditor, the new auditor would like to ask the predecessor auditor certain questions. And basically, it's something that's required. You have. So, for example, make sure it's required. So what happened is the old auditor, the predecessor auditor, the first thing they have to do is they have to ask the client, because there's a confidentiality problem. They have to ask the client. If the client says yes, then they would answer a question. If the client says no, then they don't have to give you anything. But let's assume they say yes, and if they say no, well, you have to be very careful if the client is, if it's not allowing the predecessor auditor to speak about the relationship with the new auditor.
Daddy, look.
ايش عملت؟ How did you do, Daddy?
I didn't know how to get
That's
the add up, but I didn't see any X.
It's okay, no problem.
But it's first on something else.
Okay. Let's take a look at this questions. Inquiries of the predecessor auditor. It means the old auditor. Prior to the acceptance of the engagement should include specific questions regarding what? What is this? First of all, this is a required procedures. So we have the new and the old auditor. The new auditor is required to ask the old auditor certain questions. Now, the predecessor auditor or the old auditor, they're going to go to the client and ask the client for permission, because they cannot give you any info if the client says no. Now, if the client says no, you should question accepting the agreement, accepting the engagement, but you have to know this up to this point. They will ask them about disagreement with management as to accounting principle and auditing procedures. Will they ask them about this? Well, what do you think? Should they ask them about this? I would say yes. If you're taking on a new client and you can talk to the old auditor, wouldn't you ask them, was there any disagreement with management as to accounting and auditing procedures? So one is definitely an answer. So we keep A, we take out B, we keep C, take out D. We're down to 50-50. Can we ask them about the integrity of management? Let me ask you this. Would you ask them, if you're the new auditor, would you like to know about the integrity, how ethical they are? How ethical they are? And the answer, I would say, yes, I would like to ask them about the management integrity. Therefore, 2 is also a correct answer. Both answers are correct. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are correct. Now, you might also, as a new auditor, you might ask other questions like any disagreement, or any, we talked about disagreements are here, but any communication with the corporate governance about any fraud, anything that they're not complying with any rules of regulation. Also, why are they changing the auditor? For what purpose are you hiring us? Why? So why are you hiring us? That's another question. Why are they hiring us? Okay. If there is any communication between the management and the corporate governance and any regulatory body, we need to know about this. But remember, if the client says no, the old auditor cannot communicate. That's why you should be very careful. Now, also, you have to understand that the new auditor, they can also conduct their own investigation if they like to find information about management integrity on the side. But the point is, the whole point of this question is you have to understand that when you take on a new client during the planning stage, you have to learn as much as possible. And this is a good opportunity to learn from the old auditor what's going on. So make sure you know this. Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam,
AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder. CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.